guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're doing something kind of sort of special. We're going to another Cars and Coffee. I don't know how well it's going to be. I wanted to go to a track day today, couldn't do that, so we're going to Cars and Coffee with Kyle, so we gotta wait for him.
Late, but definitely worth the wait. You got the Porsche Spider as well.
Convincing Zay to buy this car.
What, the black name points?
Whoa! This is the wrong channel. Alright, we're switching to OnlyFans. Right?
Dude, you're like 2 inches.
I know.
That's a lot, though.
How do you feel about that?
I don't like it.
The difference between the competition and the OG is not much, but I love that carbon wheel he has in there. Kyle doesn't like it as much, but the competition is very, very nice. They always say don't mess with a Civic with a laptop, but like, Jesus, this turbo is insane. That thing is massive. With an almost full carbon exterior, carbon roof, carbon doors, not carbon rear quarter panel, and the parachute on the back. Look at this guy. I heard you all the way from 3 blocks.
Did you?
Yeah, dude, this thing is loud. The twin Vueltas, these specs are absolutely insane. The black with red, and then the gray on yellow. Look, as this 812 Competizione hits the side. Oh, that thing is so sick. This color is absolutely gorgeous. Usually don't say that about BMW colors, but that is definitely one. At these car shows, you never know what you're gonna find in the parking lots. Look at this 944 right next to the 12C. This 812 Competizione in the New Jersey sun is absolutely insane. Definitely does not do this justice. This color is absolutely nutty. And out of absolutely nowhere, the triple white Countach. Only 112 of these in the entire world. The triple white Countach from RM Collections. This thing is absolutely insane. This thing is so proper, so nice. Just look at that. This is a cold startup on a Lamborghini COUNTACH. We get him kicked out, bro. His Revolto is absolutely insane.
No, it's sick.
I think it's so sick.
How's it going, guys?
Absolutely insane. Later. Dude, this Lamborghini Revolto, nuts. Absolutely nuts. This duo is absolutely insane. Oh, now we gotta walk up like 35 flights of stairs. Oh, instead of walking up 35 flights of stairs, there's an elevator. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Matching G80 Brooklyn Gray specs. It's G82. 7.2. Yeah. Look at this. This is sick. Being said, an absolutely phenomenal show with this triple white Countach. This thing is absolutely stunning. The SVJ, the 812 comp, and the Black Series. We're gonna be shooting the 812 comp very soon. Than you think. If you want to see that, check out the Instagram below. Naturally aspirated V12 with electrification, the triple white Countach. 112 examples of this, and right behind it is the SVJ. Absolutely insane. That Countach. Oh my Countach is absolutely insane. Hate to see it leave, but oh, it looks good on the trailer. I'm not gonna lie. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. And guys, smash the like button and subscribe so I can fix my car.